The mayor of Portmore, Leon Thomas, wants the government to establish a vector team to serve the Sunshine City. The local authorities want to turn their attention to mosquito control following the hurricane. But as you'll hear in this report, there's another creature of concern for residents of Portmore.
Floodwaters still receding, but already Portmore Mayor Leon Thomas has his mind set on controlling the burst of mosquitoes expected after the passage of Hurricane Melissa.
Because we have a lot of stagnant water within the municipality. Portmore is built on a lot of the earth drains, and a lot of the earth drains have a little catchment at some point, and we want to make certain that those little catchment, we attack them from early, that we can eliminate the breeding sites of our mosquitoes.
He's urging residents to check their surroundings and get rid of any mosquito breeding sites, even as he appeals to the government for resources to give Portmore its own vector control team.
When they do a spraying in Portmore and they have to go to, say, Lower Das Vale or up in the hills there, it takes a long time for them to get back to Portmore, including Woolab and those places that also have a lot of mosquitoes.
And there's another concern about a different kind of creature popping out of the floodwaters. Residents of 2 East in Greater Portmore made an unwanted discovery immediately after Hurricane Melissa passed.
They call the NEPA team for just take out the baby crooks from out there, because we see him from morning. And we say, well, the mother was down by the other side. So we just come. But the rain just come and just mash up everything. We can't take him out right now. So, because we can't even see him.
When we saw him, the water wasn't this high. It was leveled, and it is dark, just like the dirt, because it's blending. You can barely see him. You have to come a little bit closer to see him.
Amid the fascination, especially among the younger residents, the little reptile was named George and was even treated as a common household pet as youngsters played with him.
No, not scared because he's a baby. Not scared, but maybe if it was the mother one, then yeah. Because children were here, coming very close to him, so children not scared. I'm not scared because he's just a baby. That really can't do really much.
No, what do you think him big?
We think him could have bite off a finger,
So you kind of afraid at first, but then
realize that him nice and him not really like some crocodile that attack and go on real but him just yeah.
Before the National Environment and Planning Agency NEPA team ushered the young crocodile away, a lesson on the threats to the population, especially from being hunted for food.
People see the crocodile and think that it's a dangerous animal that's hunting people. This is not the case, particularly with this species.
Yeah, that's in our yard.
Right, it's a species that tends to run away from people before it attacks. It only attacks when it's cornered or it doesn't have any other choice. So that's why we always ask people, when they encounter them, not to try and catch them,